Hey there and welcome back. Last video is a proof of concept that we can send audio signal over antenna cables. In this video I want to show you how you can build a huge multi-room system including 16 devices. To do so I bought some different plugs including a cinch plug, an aux plug, and an antenna cable plug we can solder to our antenna cable. After testing, it turns out that physically connecting every cable doesn't work because the resistance is getting too big, so we need an active splitter. Therefore, we are going to use the eurolite VSD-108, which you can get for roughly 50 euros. If you're interested, there's a link in the video description. Now we can take a look at our infrastructure. All antenna cables are coming together here in this place, and there we want to install our active splitter and connect everything together. However, one requirement is that we want to have the audio input of one of our rooms, and that is why we need one extra cable. Which brings us to the next topic, which types of cables we need. In order to input an aux cable to our active splitter, we need an antenna cable to aux cable, and for the room, a cinch to antenna cable. For cinch cables, the standard is that the middle pin is the signal and the outside is ground. So that is why we changed our convention from last video. So now we need to connect for the room cable this cinch cable which I used and cut, and on the other side I soldered the middle pin to the middle pin of the antenna cable and the outside to the outside of the antenna cable. Now we need to make the other part of the cable to connect our source to the active splitter. Therefore, we take the aux adapter and the antenna adapter, which we need to put on there, and make a cable with those two, as you can see in the video. Now that we have our cables for the source, we need to make two cables for each device we want to add. The first one is a cinch to antenna cable, and then in the room an antenna cable to aux. Now we can connect everything, so we need to connect our source cables, the antenna cables, and set up the speakers. Therefore, I connected a receiver, a Bluetooth receiver, and another AV receiver, and connected the source. And now look, listen to this latency, there's nothing. Stay curious and bye.